Are you planning a Carnival cruise and haven't selected your room type yet? Then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to go through the Carnival Celebration, specifically the Excel Suites. There's 4 different types of Excel Suites. I'm going to explain what they are. I'm going to show you where on the ship the 4 different types are located. I'm going to go through the Carnival Suite benefits. I'll give you a walkthrough of the Excel Corner Suite that I recently stayed in. And finally, after going through the pros and cons, I'll give you my thoughts and who is this room really right for. The Carnival Celebration has 4 different types of Excel Suites. There's the Excel Presidential Suite, the Excel Aft Suite, the Excel Corner Suite, and last, the Excel Suite. Okay, so I have the diagram pulled up of the ship's deck plans. Let's go over with where each one of these suites are located. So first, let's talk about the Presidential Excel Suite. There's only 2 of them on the entire ship, and they're located at the very front of Deck 17. So it would be right here and right there. Those are the 2 Presidential Excel Suites. The next category is the Excel Aft Suite. So aft, of course, they're at the very back of the ship. So they're at the very back of decks 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 15. So let me show you where they are. Right back here, deck 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 15. There's 2 on each deck, so that's a total of 12 Excel Aft Suites. The next category is the Excel Corner Suite. There's 2 on each of those decks also, but they're all the way forward. So let's take a look where they are. So again, decks 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 15. So we're all the way forward. This is an Excel Suite here and here. That's 9, 10 here and here, 11 here and here, 12 here and here. This one right here that I have my mouse on, that's the room that we stayed in. Then deck 14 here and here, and 15 there and there. And then the last category is what they call simply the Excel Suite. There's 2 of those midship on the starboard side of decks 9, 10, and 11. So if we go to deck 9 and we go to the starboard side midship, it's right here. There's one there and there. And then 10, it's here and here. 11, nope, not 11. They're not on 11. And then 12 here and here. So they're 9, 10, and 12. There's a total of 6 Excel Suites. So let's talk about the benefits of booking a suite on Carnival. Now these benefits don't apply just to the Excel Suites, but any suite on Carnival. So the list of benefits are priority, embarkation, and disembarkation. Priority tender service at tender ports. Priority dinner reservations at the specialty restaurants. Complimentary room service. Complimentary bottle of champagne on the first day. Complimentary bowl of fruit each day. Complimentary unlimited laundry service. We use that one quite a bit. And access to Loft 19. Now, Loft 19 is a special area of the Carnival Celebration and Mardi Gras. And if you're interested in Loft 19, I've put a card up here. You can click up here and you can find out more about Loft 19. That's one of the things that we enjoyed about the Excel Suite. I think you'd enjoy watching that video as well. As you can see here, we are in the Excel Corner Suite 12 to 11. As we enter into the sitting area, we see the flat screen TV on the wall. There's the large illuminated mirror there. It has multiple outlets below that mirror, both standard European and USB outlets. There's a wet bar, a mini fridge, ice buckets, and glassware, and bottled water. We also see 4 drawers right there next to the mini fridge and a standalone a standalone cabinet over there in the corner. As we head to the other side of the room, this is the door to the balcony. There'll be more about that balcony in a little bit here, but let's spin around and take a look at the room from the other side. There's an L-shaped couch. There's an end table with a lamp. There's a little side table there. Bedroom over to the left. Let's go into the bathroom here. There's the toilet and the shower. I want to stop right here and talk a little bit more about this shower. Let me show you a still picture and let's talk about that just a little bit more. I wanted to spend just a minute talking about this shower because it was a very nice shower. If you look at the picture there, you'll see the 2 jets coming out of the wall. Also, there was a rain head shower and a wand. And the pressure was terrific. The control of the temperature was very nice. That was the best shower I've ever been on a cruise ship before. No doubt about it. Okay, as we spin away from the shower, here's the sink over here. Storage to the side, storage down below. Very nice sink. The amenities were very good in the bathroom. If we spin around back over here, we're going to go through a separate door into the bedroom. Here's the bedroom here. That's the door to the balcony you see there, a television on the wall. If we come this way, very nice king-size bed, very comfortable linens. Side table on each side, a little reading light on each side. We'll spin back around here. We see the flat panel television, and then you can see the wardrobe over here. There were several doors to this wardrobe. There's plenty of room to hang your clothes. There's plenty of shelves to store things there. We were there for a week and had absolutely no problem with storage. Here's the door out to the balcony. So let's go through the balcony tour. So let's swing out here on the balcony. This is a wraparound balcony. I'm going to pause it right here. As we look down this direction, we see a sun lounger there. Just past it, there's 2 chairs with a little table in between. And then you can see in the far distance there a little window. That's for viewing the shore and the water while you're sitting there. So let's get this video going again and go around the corner here. We're going to spin around the front of the ship. Here we go, and here's a look down the other direction. Let me pause here. You'll see 2 chairs there. Just past it is 2 rocking chairs, and there's a table, and then you'll see that glass panel. That glass panel is there so that if you're sitting at that table trying to eat, the wind won't blow the food and the beverages off your table. This is a very windy spot on this ship. So just to talk a little bit more about the effect of the wind on these corner Excel Suite balconies. So when we were underway, the wind was so strong at the front of the ship that I physically had to struggle to get those doors open. When we were underway, my wife couldn't open the door. I had to physically struggle to push that door open. Every night, the wind was so strong, it would pile all the furniture in the corner. In the morning, would have to go stack it up again and make sure it was all put out right, because every night while we were underway, the wind would push all the furniture into the corner. On the first night, the rocking chairs were banging so hard on the side of the ship that we thought somebody was on our balcony banging to get in. It scared the heck out of us that first night. We didn't know what was going on. Also, if you look at that, notice the height of the railing. If you're sitting in those chairs there, you can't see over that railing. All you can see is the metal railing itself. So before I get to my final review, let's go over some pros and cons of the Carnival Celebration Excel Corner Suite. So on the pro side, you gotta love the extra room. A cruise ship, you always think tightly packed, there's not room for anything. There's a separate bedroom and living area for the 2 of us. It was more room than we needed. It was really nice, very luxurious. As far as the priority embarkation and disembarkation, I'm type A when I travel. I like to be there early. I like to have my ducks in a row. For me, that's actually pretty important to have that priority embarkation and disembarkation. That's a very nice added benefit for me. Also, there was complimentary unlimited laundry. I will say we used the laundry every day we were there. Did we need to? Maybe not. I had clothes that if we didn't need the laundry, but it was nice to have. We got home, we didn't have an entire suitcase full of dirty clothes. And then access to Loft 19. Again, I have the card up there. If you're interested in more information, please watch that video because Loft 19 is actually a very nice area. So let's go over some of the cons for the XL Corner Suite. So first is the cost. We got into this suite kind of by accident. We actually booked an ocean suite, and 2 or 3 days before the cruise, they contacted me and said, hey, we got to upgrade at a crazy price. So I took it. But it is an expensive suite if you were to book the normal rates. Also, as far as the balcony goes, as you could see, that thing was useless. If you like a balcony, this is not the suite for you. Also, the level of service. If I'm in a suite, in an Excel suite, I would really expect a level of service from my cabin steward more than I would get in a standard room. Nothing against our cabin steward, but I don't think that she lived up to what my expectations were for an Excel suite. And then the last one is the location. The suites are either all the way in the front or all the way in the back. Well, the Excel Corner suites are all the way in the front. And so no matter where you're going, you got to walk, and you got to walk a good ways. So that would be my list of pros and cons. Now let's go over a final suggestion and who is this room right for? So let's review some final thoughts. We originally booked this cruise with an ocean suite, and we ended up in the Excel Corner Suite only because they offered us a crazy discounted upgrade rate. Would I book this stateroom again? No, I wouldn't. I enjoyed the extra room, and I enjoyed that very nice shower. But for me, the balcony was a complete deal breaker. Also, the room steward, although she was very pleasant, I just don't know that she lived up to what I would expect with this category stateroom. So who is this stateroom right for? If you're traveling with a larger party, you have some small children, that sofa in the main area there is a pull-out bed, so the kids could sleep there. Also, if you just enjoy a larger cabin and you don't want a balcony. So if you like the more room and you don't need a balcony, this is a great stateroom. But if you put any value to a balcony, this is not the stateroom for you. So if you've enjoyed my review, if you find it useful, please hit the like and the subscribe button. And when I have future travel videos, you'll get the notification of what's going on, because you may want to know.